What's going on? So today we're gonna head over to Home Depot. We'll replace the we're gonna replace the floorboard for the trunk. It's all sagging and moldy. And we're gonna try to get Home Depot to cut it for us. I know they do cutting and stuff, so we're gonna try to see if they can cut it to a rough shape so that we only have to just give it whatever angles that we need. And I'm gonna use the existing carpet as a template, so we don't really have to measure stuff out. Whatever the carpet covers, that's the shape we're gonna get it in, and then from there we'll cut it out in our sections and buy little hinges and stuff so we can lift it up and put it down, all that good stuff. But yeah, so Home Depot closes at 6. It is 3 p.m. We gotta go. All right, I'm here. I'm trying to choose which one has the least amount of bend to it. I got the plywood in the back.
Wipe it down with what? Once the edge is dry, you flip it over, you do the back, 2 coats I guess. How many coats you did here? 2? 2.
Alright, so two coats is fine. And then we're gonna hit it with 2 coats of clear coat and we're done. We're gonna drill it together, we're gonna put the hinges on, we're gonna fit it to the back, and we're gonna get going.
This is my...
Yeah. Take out the
Show that it works.
It's nice, I don't have to pull up everything, I just have to whoop, hinges.